Hello, welcome back to our channel. Are you looking to land a data analytics role in banking or financial domain? In today's video, we'll break down everything you need to prepare a standout application, including a resume, cover letter, LinkedIn profile, portfolio, and even top interview questions. So let's get started on your journey to first IT job. Here is what we'll cover today: crafting a target resume, writing a compelling cover letter, optimizing your LinkedIn profile, building a relevant portfolio, preparing for a common interview questions. Resume. Your resume should highlight your technical skills and experience, even if you are just starting. For this role, include relevant skills, highlights tools like SQL, Power BI, SAS, and Excel. Emphasize data analysis, process improvement, and reporting. Work experience, mention roles involving data management, ETL process, or database projects. If you are new, focus on transferable skills like problem solving and teamwork. You can include your college projects if you don't have any working experience. Your education, showcase relevant degrees or certification like data analytics or programming. So key tip here, use a strong summary to introduce yourself. For example, data analyst skills in relational database management, SQL and Power BI experience in creating performance reports and streamlining process for business growth. Next one is cover letter. A great cover letter connects to your experience with the role's requirement. Use this structure. Opening, express enthusiasm for the role and company. Body, showcase your skills and achievement. For example, in my experience managing dataset, I develop automated workflows using SQL and Power BI, saving 20 hours of manual reporting monthly. So if you don't have any prior experience, so use your college project and capture some key milestones you delivered in your project. Closing, and with the call to action, like I would love the opportunity to discuss how my skills can contribute to your team success. Sorry. Next one is LinkedIn profile. Your LinkedIn profile is often your first impression. Update these sections. Headline, data analyst, expert in SQL, Power BI, and business analytics, OBI specialist, something like that, okay? Headline, summary, I specialize in analyzing complex, large data set to support strategic business decisions. Proficient in SQL, Power BI, and data visualization tools. I am passionate about creating impactful analytical solutions. Your summary. Skills include SQL, ETL process and reporting, Python for data analysis. The next section is portfolio. Even for entry levels, a portfolio set you apart. So here is what you to include. Case studies, example of performance reports and dashboard you have created. Technical proficiency, highlight SQL script, Power BI dashboard or Python projects. Certification, so of course like data analytics, SQL or Power BI for businesses. So next one is interview preparation. Okay. Finally, let's prep your interview. Here, uh, most frequent asked question in this area. So how to answer them? I provided, I think, 10 questions. So we'll go through all the questions here, okay? Sorry. How do you handle incomplete data set? So I assess the extent of missing data, apply techniques like mean, imputation or predictive modeling, and document my process to ensure transcription. All right. Describe a project where you created a performance report. I use Power BI to design a dashboard tracking sales KPIs by analyzing regional data. We identify underperforming areas and increase the revenue by 15%. So you can just substitute the area you worked, any domain, like maybe credit card, or analyzing book revenue. So based on your domain, you can just change this one. Okay. How do you prioritize your tasks under tight deadlines? It's a common interview question. So I assess task urgency and break projects into milestones, regularly communicating with stakeholders, ensure alignment and timely delivery. What experience do you have with SQL and ETL process? I have written complex SQL queries for data extraction and transformed dataset using SSIS, streamlining reporting for workflows. So based on your area, if you work with big data, or Azure or GCP, Amazon, anything, or Hive, based on your experience, you can just customize this answer with example. So how do you ensure the accuracy of your data analysis? So I validate dataset through the checks like source comparison, handle outliers, and review outputs with stakeholder to ensure accuracy. All right, okay. So let's take a look next set of question. Have you managed MIS reporting or performance dashboard in your previous roles? In my last role, I developed Power BI dashboard to track my key performance indicators across multiple business units. This involved integrating data from MS SQL databases, ensuring accuracy through the validation checks, and collaborating with the stakeholder data visualization for decision making. So based on your experience or project knowledge, you can customize this answer. Can you describe your experience with relational database and ETL process? Answer. So if you don't have relational database, or if you work with cloud or NoSQL database, based on your question and based on the area you worked, you can prepare for this one. So let's take a look how you can answer. I have extensive experience with relational databases like MS SQL and tools like SSIS for ETL process. In one project, I automated data extraction and transform for monthly performance reporting, reducing processing time by 25% while maintaining the data accuracy. How do you ensure accuracy and reliability of financial data? I implement validation check each stage of data pipeline, cross-referring against the source system and using the statistical techniques to identify anomalies. For instance, I flagged and corrected discrepancies revenue data, improving reporting accuracy by 15%. So you can come up with some example based on your area you worked here. Okay. What experience do you have with programming language like Python and OSAS? It's not mandatory, but if you worked, have some experience, or if you have college project experience, you can. I have used SAS for running mainframe jobs and performing statistical analysis. Additionally, I have leveraged Python for data cleaning and automation, such as scripting workflows process large data sets efficiently. How do you handle multiple priorities under title? So we already discussed this one, okay? So, but I'll just, I started by breaking down tasks, prioritizing based on impact and urgency. For example, during recent financial close period, I manage overlapping deadline for reporting and data validation by creating a deadline, timeline, and communicating progress regularly with stakeholders. So that's how you prepare a winning application for a data analyst role in banking or financial domain in analytical. So we have covered everything from crafting your documents, sorry, crafting your documents to nailing down the interview. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others starting their data analytics journey. Let's keep building your path to your first IT job. Thank you and have a good day.